spooky children, it's me GhostGirl and I'm here with you guys for another video. So in today's video I'm going to be reading the 5th chapter to my story Stranger, which is the 5th chapter to my Andromeda. Well, it's basically a novel at this point, which is like a sci-fi story that I've been writing for a while now. I hope you have been enjoying the story so far and you've enjoyed all the previous chapters, and I hope you enjoy this video today. Today's video is going to be called Baking with Konan, and I'm just going to start the story now and start reading. I have a few orders that I need to make, said Estra. Do you mind coming with me back to the house? She asked. Yeah, sure, let's go, said Konan. The two of them walked back into the house. Once they had entered the house, Estra started to open the kitchen cupboards. I've had a massive order for my spindum cakes. Dorleen really seems to like my spindum cakes. He always orders lots of them all the time, said Estra. This time he ordered a batch of 50 cakes. Oh really? And does he come round here often? Konan asked. Actually, now that I think about it, he does, said Estra. Oh really? That's interesting, said Konan. Konan looked as if he was taking a mental note of something. Do you want to help me with the cakes? Said Estra. Yeah, alright, said Konan. Spindum was a black fruit that grew on large trees with grey trunks and white pointed leaves. The fruit was extremely soft and juicy. When you bit into it, the inside contained a soft purple gel that was perfect for baking cakes. Estra had a spindum tree on her land. She had picked some of them a few days prior and had placed them into the fridge. She opened the fridge and placed them on the kitchen counter, and then she took out a bowl. Konan, do you mind squeezing the gel out of these and into the bowl? Konan picked up the spindum and pressed down on it, and the fruit burst open and the gel fell out into the bowl. While Konan squeezed all the gel out of the fruits, Estra got another bowl out of the kitchen cupboard and placed it onto the kitchen countertop, and then she got a bag of red powder and poured some of it into the bowl. She then added this pink sticky liquid to the mixture, that pink sticky liquid being Yaz. Yaz was a sticky pink liquid that can be found inside goga trees, which were large golden trees with hexagon leaves that could be found commonly on the planets on the Andromeda galaxy, and was perfect for baking. Estra was also fortunate enough to have one of these trees. growing on her land. So that is the story today, my spooky children. I hope you have enjoyed the story today and that you enjoyed this video and that you have been enjoying this chapter of Andromeda so far and that you have enjoyed the previous chapters that I've written and just the whole story overall. If you did like this video, then please like this video, comment down below, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Also, don't forget to share this video, and I'm also on social media, so don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'm on Twitter and I'm on Patreon, and if you could follow me on Twitter and become a Patreon of mine, I'd be very grateful for that. Also, as far as psychic readings are going, I'm still not doing them at the moment. I'm having an absolute nightmare with my airline medical. I've got to get it done by the 24th, and I'm struggling to find a medical examiner that can do my medical by then, so it's just a total nightmare, but fingers crossed I'll get that sorted out soon and I'll be able to get my airline medical done. But anyway, thank you guys for watching and goodbye, my spooky children.